Hey, what's going on? It's Johnny Groomers and I'm here with another car grooming video. Today's project is restoring that headlight and that headlight. I got some haze on there. I got some oxidation happening there on the surface. And to get rid of that oxidation, I'm going to be using Meguiar's heavy duty headlight restoration kit. It says it's only 3 steps: sand, buff, and protect. So I'm gonna open this up, show you guys what's inside. That's all I had to cut, so. So when you first open the box, you have a big empty space. There's nothing in here. I don't know if there was supposed to be something in there or not, but nothing in there. So let's flip it open here. I don't get it. All right. You get 2 pads. I think this is the sanding pad. It's very, very soft. Doesn't feel like sandpaper. This may be the polishing pad. This may be the sanding pad. This has a little grit to it. It says P1000 on there, and this says P3000. Here is the hand tool right here. It's got like a Velcro back to it. Okay, so this sticks onto that. That's how that goes. Here is the polishing tool that attaches to your drill, which I have right here. Pretty soft. Oh, look at that shine. So the first step is to clean the headlights, which I've done already. The second step is to take your 1000, attach it to the hand pad, like so. And then you're gonna dunk this in water. This has to be wet. And then you start to sand down your headlight. Just gotta make sure you steer clear of the edges near the body of the car. They're suggesting to mask it off with some painter's tape, something to protect the body. Once it has like a frost haze over the headlight lens, you're supposed to wipe down clean with a terry towel or any kind of shop towel that you have. After you're done with that, you take off the 1000 grit pad and you put on the 3000 grit pad and repeat the process. Then you get your drill, you put a little bit of the PlastX on your headlight, and you work it with the drill, doing it sections at a time on the headlight itself. They're saying repeat the last process as many times as it takes to get clear, and wipe it down clean before the PlastX has a chance to dry, because once it starts to dry, I think it's a lot harder to get off. Then you're supposed to take a regular glass cleaner like Windex and spray your headlights and wipe them clean. Then you go and get your headlight sealant that comes in the kit, and you apply it. It should take about 15 minutes to dry, 24 hours to cure. So what I'm gonna do now, put the camera towards the headlights and get this going, and you can see it in action. is the other one. I'm not gonna record the full process, but it is worse than the passenger side. This is the driver's side. It's really hazy. Okay, that was the Meguiar's headlight restoring kit, the heavy duty one. Not bad, it was under 20 bucks in Walmart, and I think it did a good job. Hopefully it lasts. That'll be it for today's video. If you like the contents, like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. And as always, remember to take care of yourself and each other. Later.